This is Madam Lace. For today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano ko alagaan ang aking pet na si Blue. Isa po siyang Scotishfold na kaya siguro tinawag na Scotishfold gawa ng yung tenga po niya kasi naka-fold na ganyan. Iba yung British cat na ang cat na yung tenga naka-direct. Pero itong Scotishfold, naka-fold po yung tenga niya. So, kaya siguro tinawag na Scotishfold. So, for today's video, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano ko alagaan si Blue. So, let's see. And panoorin nyo po ang video ko. Hi guys! Nagpapakain po kay Blue. Ang takaw niyang kumain, no? Ito yung pagkain ni Blue. Fish, chicken. You want food? Huh? Blue? You want food? Huh? This is your food. This is your open your food. Wow. 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 Here. See, look at your food. Baby, here your food, oh. Blue. Food too much. You don't want to eat. You don't want to eat like that, sir. Sir? You want this, sir? Here. Here, baby. What you want? Fish? Fish? Or chicken? Which one? Fish or chicken? Blue. Fish or chicken? Which one you want? Oh, chicken? Okay. Okay. Which one you want? Fish or chicken? Which one? Which one? Which one you want? Fish or chicken? Allah. Okay, you go there, sit. Wow, yummy. Wow. There. Hello. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching our video. Yes, say hello there. There. Hello. Thank you for watching our video. My Mimi and me. Thank you. Everyday watching. Mabuhay. Blue, say bye-bye. Thank you and bye. Next video. Nananaginip siya. Ang himbing ng tulog ng baby ko. Busog kasi siya eh. So, sweet dream, baby. Sweet dream. Love you. Hi guys! This is Madam Lace again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Napanood nyo na ba ang aking some tips sa pag-aalaga ng mga pet katulad ng aso at saka dog? Actually, may dog din po akong alaga sa Pilipinas. Ang name niya ay Siggy. Pero babae po siya. Pinangalanan lang po ng anak ko na Siggy ang names, pero babae. So, alam mo, pet lover po talaga ako actually. Masimula pa nung bata pa. At mabait naman po yung mga alaga ko. So, I love pet. Kaya, thank you for watching. And kung bago pa lang po kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe and don't forget to click the button bell para ma-notify po kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. Okay, thank you and mabuhay!